Hey guys, YouTube Mechanics back here. We're going to be doing a video on how to change the battery in this 2009 370Z key fob. So first thing, stick this key back in here. All you're going to need is a screwdriver, your new battery, which we have right here. So first thing you're going to do, pull this little tab right here, pull the key out, put that to the side, and you're going to take your screwdriver. You see a little crease right here. You're going to stick it in this slot. You're going to twist it. You see it start to separate, and you're going to run the screwdriver along here. Twist it. Keep twisting. Pull it apart. There's your battery. Take the screwdriver, pop the battery out. Remember which way it's in there too, because it has to go in there a certain way, so we'll pop it out. So we're going to take our new battery, stick it in there. It's a 2032. Side with the numbers goes down, all right, and then you got to stick it in between these two tabs. Slide it in, new battery's in, take your key fob, line it up, squeeze it till you hear it click, click, put your key in. That's it, it's done. 2009 370Z key fob. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.